Have you ever wondered what makes an app or website truly great? The answer lies in UI/UX design. UI stands for user interface, focusing on visual elements. UX stands for user experience, ensuring smooth user journeys. Together, they create beautiful, user-friendly digital experiences. While UI and UX design are interconnected, they have distinct focuses and require different skill sets. Understanding these differences is crucial for anyone looking to break into this exciting field. UI designers are the visual architects of the digital world. They are responsible for the overall aesthetic appeal of a website or app. They carefully select color palettes, typography, and imagery to create a cohesive and visually engaging experience. UI designers are masters of visual hierarchy, using size, color, and contrast to guide the user's attention to the most important elements on the screen. UX designers, on the other hand, are the architects of the user's journey. They focus on understanding the user's needs, motivations, and pain points. Through user research, UX designers gain insights into how people interact with digital products. They use this information to create user flows, wireframes, and prototypes that optimize the user experience. Think of it this way. UI design is like dressing a window display to attract customers. UX design is like designing the layout of the store to ensure customers can easily find what they're looking for and have a pleasant shopping experience. Both are essential for success. Creating exceptional UI/UX design doesn't happen by chance. It requires a structured approach known as the design thinking process. This iterative process guides designers through stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, and implement. Empathize. Understand the user's perspective. Conduct user research to gather insights. Identify the problems to solve. Clearly define the problem. Frame the design challenge. Ideate, brainstorm potential solutions. No idea is too wild. Prototype. Create prototypes. From sketches to interactive mock-ups. Test. Gather feedback from users. Refine based on feedback. Implement. Prepare the final design. The process is iterative. Cycle through stages for the optimal solution. User research is the foundation of good UI/UX design. It's the process of gathering insights into your target audience to understand their needs, behaviors, and motivations. By putting the user at the center of your design process, you can create products that are truly user-centered. There are various methods for conducting user research, each with its strengths and weaknesses. User interviews, one-on-one conversations with users to gather qualitative data about their experiences, pain points, and expectations. Surveys, questionnaires distributed to a larger audience to collect quantitative data on user preferences and behaviors. Usability testing. Observing users as they interact with a prototype or existing product to identify areas of friction and opportunities for improvement. A/B testing. Comparing two versions of a design element, like a button or headline, to see which performs better with users. Heuristic evaluation. Evaluating a design against established usability principles or heuristics to identify potential usability issues. The specific methods you choose will depend on your research goals, budget, and timeline. The key is to gather a mix of qualitative and quantitative data to gain a holistic understanding of your target audience. Section 5. Information architecture, the backbone of design. Imagine visiting a website where the information is disorganized, the navigation is confusing, and you can't find what you're looking for. Frustrating, right? That's where information architecture, or IA, comes in. IA is the art and science of organizing and structuring content in a way that is easy for users to find and understand. It's about creating a clear and intuitive hierarchy of information that guides users to their desired destination. A well-designed IA is crucial for any website or app, regardless of its complexity. It ensures that users can find the information they need quickly and easily, understand the relationship between different pieces of content, and complete their tasks efficiently and without frustration. Key elements of IA include sitemaps, which are a visual representation of the website's structure, showing the hierarchy of pages and their relationship to each other. User flows, a diagram that maps out the steps a user takes to complete a specific task on a website or app. Navigation menus, the primary way users navigate through a website, typically located in the header or sidebar. And search functionality, which allows users to quickly find specific information by entering keywords or phrases. By carefully considering the IA of your website or app, you can create a user experience that is both intuitive and enjoyable. Section 6. Wireframing and prototyping. Bringing ideas to life. Once you have a solid understanding of your users and a clear information architecture, it's time to start bringing your ideas to life through wireframing and prototyping. Wireframes are low-fidelity representations of a design. They focus on the structure and layout of content rather than the visual aesthetics. Think of them as blueprints for your website or app. Wireframes can be created using simple tools like pen and paper or digital tools like Figma, Adobe XD, or Sketch. Prototypes take wireframes a step further by adding interactivity. They allow users to click through the design, interact with different elements, and experience the flow of the user interface. Prototypes can range in fidelity from low-fidelity clickable wireframes to high-fidelity mock-ups that closely resemble the final product. Wireframing and prototyping offer several benefits for UI/UX designers. Early feedback. Gathering feedback early in the design process can save time and resources later on. Usability testing. Prototypes allow you to test the usability of your design with real users and identify areas for improvement. Collaboration. Wireframes and prototypes provide a common visual language for designers, developers, and stakeholders to communicate and collaborate on a project. By incorporating wireframing and prototyping into your workflow, you can create user-centered designs that meet the needs of your target audience. Section 7. Visual Design Principles for Eye-Catching Interfaces. Visual design plays a crucial role in creating engaging and memorable user experiences. By understanding and applying key visual design principles, you can elevate your UI design from good to great. Typography. Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and appealing. Selecting appropriate fonts, font sizes, and line heights can greatly enhance the readability and visual hierarchy of your design. Color theory. Color evokes emotions and influences perception. Understanding color theory can help you choose color palettes that create the desired mood and reinforce your brand identity. Layout. The layout refers to the arrangement of visual elements on a page. A well-designed layout guides the user's eye through the content in a logical and visually appealing way. Visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy is the arrangement of elements in a way that implies importance. By using size, color, contrast, and white space, you can guide the user's attention to the most important elements on the page. Imagery. High-quality images can enhance the visual appeal of your design and communicate information more effectively than words alone. By mastering these visual design principles, you can create interfaces that are not only visually appealing, but also enhance the user's overall experience. Section 8. Interaction Design and Usability Testing. Interaction design focuses on creating engaging and intuitive interactions between users and digital products. It's about making every tap, click, and swipe feel natural and responsive. Key considerations in interaction design include micro-interactions. These are subtle animations and transitions that provide feedback to the user and make the interface feel more alive. For example, a button changing color when hovered over or a loading animation. User feedback. Providing clear and timely feedback is essential for a positive user experience. This includes confirming actions, displaying error messages, and providing progress indicators. Accessibility. Designing for accessibility means ensuring that everyone, regardless of their abilities, can use your product. This includes providing alternative text for images, using sufficient color contrast, and ensuring keyboard navigability. Usability testing is a crucial part of the interaction design process. It involves observing users as they interact with your product to identify any usability issues. By conducting usability testing throughout the design process, you can identify and address usability issues early on, leading to a more user-friendly and successful product. Section 9. Your UI/UX career path starts here. The demand for skilled UI/UX designers is skyrocketing as more and more companies realize the importance of creating exceptional digital experiences. If you're passionate about technology, design, and solving problems for users, a career in UI/UX design could be the perfect fit. Desk-On Academy offers a comprehensive UI/UX design course that equips you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in this exciting field. Our industry expert instructors will guide you through the entire design thinking process, from user research to prototyping and testing. You'll gain hands-on experience with industry-standard design tools like Figma and Adobe XD, and learn how to create user-centered designs that are both beautiful and functional. Don't wait any longer to turn your passion into a rewarding career. Enroll in Desk-On Academy's UI/UX design course today and take the first step towards a brighter future.